Hello everyone, welcome to PTE 79 series for reorders. Today this is the 7th video, means हम 7th highly repetitive video discuss करने वाले हैं, means हम 7th highly repetitive RO discuss करने वाले हैं, and it will be beneficial for you all because we discuss those ROs, those reorder paragraphs जो repeat होते हैं exam में, which our student tells that yes sir हमें ये RO आया था, so we are trying to explain because बहुत सारे students को reading की problems होती हैं, they are not able to score in reading. So that being said, let's roll the intro. As you know, my name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 criterias of PTE. Now how I scored in PTE reading, these टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूं, अगर आप भी अप्लाई करोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू स्कोर 90 ऑल्सो वट एवर योर टारगेट स्कोर इज. सो दिस इज द रीडिंग सेक्शन स्कोर. जो स्टूडेंट्स हमारी कोचिंग लेते हैं ऑनलाइन या फिजिकल, दे नो दैट कि रीडिंग में स्पीकिंग कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, लिसनिंग से कितने मार्क्स आते हैं, राइटिंग से कितने मार्क्स आते हैं. रीडिंग कंप्लीट 90 मार्क्स का नहीं होता है पीटी में. एंड आवर स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर रीऑर्डर्स इज वेरी सिंपल. विद इन 30 seconds you will be able to score 100% mark. Yes, within 30 seconds you will be able to score 100% marks. Now how much time we have to give in reorders is just 2 minutes. अगर आपको इसकी detailed description देखनी है, why 2 minutes and everything, you can click on the suggested videos for the first reorders जहाँ पे मैंने ये सब कुछ डिटेल में explain किया हुआ है. You will get the playlist URL in the description as well as in the end of this video also. And do subscribe to our channel because we upload such videos, informational videos जहाँ पे हम reorders explain करते हैं, reading and writing filling the blanks करते हैं. And साथ में we have started the initiative for 8 band series for IELTS, for CELPIP, for PTE, like grammar की videos जो concepts बहुत ज़रूरी हैं grammar में, pronunciation की videos. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So you have 2 minutes. 2 minutes में आपको skim करना होता है, content read करना होता है और arrange करना होता है. arrange करने के बाद आपको confirm करना होता है. What is our reorder strategy? Consider Marvel PTE as the center of the universe. So what you are going to do is, सबसे पहले आपको एक independent line ढूंढनी है, उसके बाद you can apply our BS strategy, then you can apply our CO strategy, उसके बाद connectors की strategy है, TO rule है, AB rule है, SO strategy very important, and then last sentence rule. There are some rules for finding last sentences. If you want to see the detailed video, you can see the first video or attend our coaching because we tell you these strategies in detail so that you can also solve reorders within 30 seconds. And there are two modes. One is exam mode, one is time mode. Time modes में आपको time practice मिलती है 120 seconds की. exam mode जब आपका पेपर नियर होता है, आप फिल कर चुके हैं, then you can turn this mode on and जो exam recurring questions हैं, you are able to practice them. So this is the today's topic, today's reorder paragraph number 7, and I am giving you 30 seconds as usual ताकि आप ये content को skim कर सकें, and I will be back after 30 seconds. Okay, I am back. So अब आज का reorder. So let's first quickly skim it. The spread of prosperity across the world, especially in India and China, is driving an increased demand for meat, eggs and dairy, boosting pressure to grow more corn and soyabeans to feed more cattle, pigs and chickens. Okay, ये हमें independent sentence लग रहा है. क्यों लग रहा है? Because ये एक independent sentence की तरह behave कर रहा है. What are the rules for finding independent sentences? And we have our students all over the world, from India, from Australia, from Southeast Asia, Dubai, UAE. So you can also attend our sessions. But sheer population growth. So ये independent हो ही नहीं सकता. We will likely have 2 billion more mouths to feed by mid-century, more than 9 billion people. So ये भी आपको independent लग रहा है. If these trends, these हो गया तो independent नहीं हो सकता. So you know by our strategies अब आपके पास 2 independent sentences हैं. But अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पे the spread of prosperity is driving an increased demand, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो तो ये लग रहा है ये किसी टॉपिक के बारे में ऑलरेडी पहले बात हो चुकी होगी, उसके बाद बात होगी. इस लाइन की. So what we have is we have just one independent line remaining. We will likely have 2 billion more mouths to feed. So what we are going to do is we are going to drag and we are going to drop it here as I have done it here. Now we will see यहाँ पे हम अपनी TO strategy से हम यहाँ पे people को introduce कर चुके हैं. And now what you will see is this. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो but sheer population growth isn't the only reason. So यहाँ पे population and people are related. And if these trends don't continue the double whammy of growth and richer diets. So यहाँ पे double whammy की बात हो रही है population की और diets की कहाँ बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. So as per our SO strategy and TO strategy we know that कि सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे population की बात करेंगे, उसके बाद आप prosperity या diets की बात करोगे because this is related to diet, and उसके बाद आप बात करोगे उन दोनों topics के बारे में. So what we have done is we have filled this reason. The first reason यहाँ पे हम दे चुके हैं, but sheer population isn't the only reason. We will need more food. अब उसके बाद आपका ये इसकी explanation बनती है because this is your statement और ये क्यों चाहिए. This is our explanation. So as per our TO strategy, SO strategy, इसका subject हमारा उसका object बनता है. So what we have done is हमने यहाँ पे इसको place कर दिया है. The spread of prosperity across the world especially is driving. So what we have done is सबसे पहले हमने people की बात की, उसके बाद population की बात की, उसके बाद second reason दिया है. अब हमने दोनों reasons दे चुके हैं. वैसे भी ये last line ही आपकी जो है वो रहती है, but हम दोनों reasons दे चुके हैं. Double whammy of population. So what we are going to do is we are going to place this in the end. This seems like a concluding remarks because यहाँ पे आप trends की बात कर रहे हो. किस trends की? Population growth की भी बात कर रहे हो और spread of prosperity की भी बात कर रहे हो. तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों बात हो रही है. What we have done is we have placed it here, and now let me click verify. See, this is the correct answer. So if you see, अगर आपको ये logics पता होंगे, you can correctly solve these reorders within just 30-40 seconds, and this is very important because RFIBs को हमें ज़्यादा time देना होता है. Those are more scoring integrated questions होते हैं, and we have just 2 minutes. आपने first 2 minutes में क्या करना है? You have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line, you have to find conclusion within first 30 to 60 seconds, and उसके बाद जो आपके पास remaining time बच जाता है, what you have to do, you have to look for clues, you have to find pointers, years, however, firstly examples. These are some clues जिससे आपको पेयरिंग का पता चलता है, and you have to pay attention to pairing. Always remember that this is a trophy which you have to win. Which is this trophy? You have to score 79 plus, you have to score 65 plus, or even your target score will be 58 or 50. If you are not following our strategies or modifying it, sadly you cannot win this trophy. But if you are following our strategies, you will be able to win this trophy. And practice is the key. Our platform gives you sufficient practice कि आप Marvel PTE पे practice कर सको. This is the best part about our software कि आप पहले strategies को learn करते हो, फिर implement करते हो, फिर perfect करते हो उन्हीं strategies को. This is our dedicated number 8699121121. You can WhatsApp me 24/7 on this number. Our dedicated team is always there to help you, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because ऐसी informative videos we put it almost on a daily basis. So जैसे ही नए reorders, नए RWFIBs, नए RFIBs हम अपलोड करते हैं, आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए, क्योंकि एक ये रेपिटेटिव है एंड सेकंड एक्सप्लेन्ड है, तो आपके लॉजिक्स क्लियर होते हैं. We give wings to your dreams.